attention. You and me, we're gonna be partners. You and me, we're gonna be pals. You and me, we're gonna be partners, buddies and pals.
Round of applause for Hot.
Yeah, we can find him again. Yeah, because we got...
Alright, I'll help as well.
Again.
Alright, you want to stay on the bottom
Wait,
again?
somewhere here. I want to go pee. Look, there. Look!
So this small bird migrates each spring from the Amazon to eastern North America.
I don't know. Oh, I wish. Oh, you have your binoculars.
Got it. Get it? No.
I got it.
Alright, good. Let's go to the next shelter. And then people built this house. So she built her own house. So it is very good. What is that? My house.
Nice. How did you build it? Oh,
Sticks.
nice. What's it called again?
Spring, dead leaf, roller.
Spring,
But it was on a line.
dead leaf, roller, moth. Spring.
My favorite part of the week is today.
How about we get
on
the...
We can build. Oh, they're so cute.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Got a minnow. I think that I should put this big guy in the big guy. Yeah, that's definitely better.
It's usually at school when they play it. That's when it.
Oh yeah. We would go to every other day we would go to a farm that was nearby, and we would.
You have penguin?
Katerina, can I have your water bottle?
No, I don't.
Any other guesses?
Yeah.
Which one?
These are so good.
Pick something. There you go.
In line. Behind Shane?
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh, you got 2 in 1.
We're not
Oh my god, a big one!
You did. Nice job.
Well, and we work with a whole bunch of different kinds of birds, teaching people about some of the amazing raptors that live right here in Ontario.
I thought they were the dinosaur raptor, but then I noticed little bird of hunting prey raptor.
Around, so we've got 2 different kinds of feet. Both belong to raptors. So this one here belongs to a great horned owl, and this one here belongs to a little falcon called a kestrel. All sorts of creatures with very high speed. They catch anything that they want to catch. So this is Artemis. Thing to eat. Her absolutely most favorite thing to eat are other birds. Artemis, she just wouldn't hunt on her own. You can see she's so comfortable. She's even tucking up her foot. For a hawk like Moose, being lazy isn't so much a bad thing. Moose, he's not going to Did I make the right prediction? Look how big those eyes are. Now, those eyes are so big that they take up a lot of space in his skull. His one way behind him this way and to the opposite. Now, 3/4 of the way around thanks to a really, really long tree. A lot of cottages are in big forests where barred owls live. For barred owls, and actually a lot of birds,
At nighttime, and you hear in the woods, you'll be very impressed.
These are the leaves there as well. There's more
Hello.
we can use.
My name is Goat, and we are making a nest. Teamwork. This stuff is around the nest. Let's go.
He's a spy! You need to check out my heartbeat.
Okay, that's enough fluff. That's enough fluff. You know,
Because we have to have walls to put the flowers in. That would be a good idea.
There you go. Okay. Now we do that.
No. I guess when they're coming close, you're gonna sing.
Look at the tiny turtle Tim! We use mud.
It is right!
All right, so we're gonna
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What?
And they'll be with us for another 2 weeks throughout the summer. And we want to give them their leader in training shirts,